In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and embed a Google form on your Canva website step by step. This straightforward process can be an invaluable tool if you're looking to collect data or interact with your audience through forms directly on your site. So let's dive in and make this as simple as possible. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Forms. You can do this by typing Google Forms into your web browser. Once you're there, if you already have a form set up, great. If not, you might want to take this moment to create one that suits your needs, whether it's a contact form, feedback form, or anything else. Once you're on Google Forms, locate and select the form you wish to embed. This is an important step as it will determine what information you're looking to collect or feedback you're seeking. After selecting your form, look for the link icon at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will open a pop-up with an option for a link. Now before you copy this link, it's a good practice to click on Shorten URL. Doing so makes the link more manageable and neat for embedding. With the shortened URL ready, go ahead and click Copy. This copies the URL to your clipboard so you can easily paste it in the next steps. Next, you'll need to move over to Canva. If you haven't already, navigate to the design where you want to embed your form. Once your design is open, head over to the left-hand menu and look for the Apps icon. Clicking on this opens up a world of integrations that Canva offers. In the search bar within the Apps section, type in the word Embed. This action will prompt Canva to show you the tools related to embedding content into your design. From the options that appear, find and click on Embed. At this point, Canva will prompt you to paste the URL that you've copied from Google Forms. Simply paste the shortened link into the provided space. Finally, click on Add to Design to see your Google form appear within your Canva design. You can click and drag to move the form around and adjust its placement within your design to suit your layout preferences. And there you have it, simple and effective. By embedding a Google form in your Canva website, you're essentially creating a seamless bridge between your visitors and your questionnaire or feedback forms. This could be particularly useful for gathering information directly from your audience without redirecting them away from your site. I hope you found this guide helpful and look forward to seeing how you use this feature to enhance your website. Thanks for watching and happy designing!